Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So as of right now, Bitcoin is definitely just stuck within this sideways channel that is starting to take place. Top of the channel up here, red line, which is the resistance part of the channel at 7,000, and then the bottom part of the channel down here, that green line, which is a support portion of the pattern, and that is valued at 66.30. And that's really the first key level that you're going to want to ask yourself about, namely just because the price is much closer to potentially breaking down through that level than it is through going up there. So it's just a matter of spacing. Not much space left before the price could potentially break down there, but a whole lot of space to cover before the price would even get up to potentially breaking above there. So question number one that you need to ask yourself, and we'll just use that 15-hour number. So let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Just ask yourself, okay, well, where's the price currently at relative to 66.30? If you're answering the question that the price is still up above that level, then that's a good sign. That implies that nothing drastic has happened and that the price is still simply, bouncing back and forth, within the channel itself. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 66.30, at that point, it becomes a matter of gut instincts, common sense, meaning, how far down below it? And the further the price is down below 66.30, the more bearish the chart has become, the more bearish and powerful the breakdown has become. So like I said, nothing fancy there, just a little bit of common sense and gut instincts. Now, on the flip side, though, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still above 66.30, the next question you want to immediately ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,000? And if somehow you're answering the question that the price is up above 7,000, which that'd be pretty shocking, but then again, it is Bitcoin, so I suppose you never know. But if you're answering the question that the price is now up above 7,000, that would imply a very, very impressive movement where the price has not only consolidated out, but turned and worked its way all the way back up there. So that would be a very bullish situation if, like I said, 10, 15 hours from now, all of a sudden the price is up above 7,000. But odds are, if you're answering the question, and this is how I think you probably will be answering the question, but, well, Clay, the price is still down below 7,000, but it is up above 66.30. If you're answering the question like that, then one word can be used to summarize that price movement, and that would just be consolidation, meaning the prices continue to consolidate within the channel pattern itself. So ask yourself those questions, walk yourself through those answers and using those technical levels, and that'll keep this video relevant until I'm back to update the video once again. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.